Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, please press the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell button as well so you don't have to miss any of my new videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how I braided my hair for the first time. So let's get started. So to prepare the braiding hair, what you're going to do is separate small strands from the braiding hair, and when you put them together, you're going to stagger them. So some of them are longer than the others when you put them together, so it's not, the ends are not straight across but have somewhat of a layered effect. So that'll make sure that the braid starts out thick and ends up narrow. Then what I like to do is comb the braiding hair just to make sure that it doesn't form any knots when I am trying to braid it. So once the braiding hair is secured onto the twist, you want to separate one of the strands of the braiding hair. So then you have 3 strands and add it to the twist. And then again, you're gonna borrow from one of the other strands of braiding hair to make sure that all 3 strands of the braiding hair are about equal in thickness. And now you're just going to braid regularly all the way down until you reach the end. So once we get to the end here, you're gonna want to borrow hair from the other strands again. This ensures that the end is nice and thin, so it starts out thick and then the end becomes nice and thin. It also helps to make sure that the hair doesn't separate or open at the ends easily when you start borrowing. So at the ends, we want to make sure to borrow as much as we can to make sure that those ends don't open back up. Now when you get to the end of the braid, you're just going to trim away all the hair that sticks out. It's little tiny flyaways. And then make sure to get as much as you can so we have a nice smooth braid.